previous lesson we looked at bottom sheet. Now we are looking at a more customizable, advanced, scrollable version of the bottom sheet. So let's just get into it. Hypocritically speaking, I prefer the scrollable bottom sheet to scrollable draggable sheet to the bottom sheet. So first I have an empty whatever here. I'll just change this to a stack so that we can lay over one widget on top of the other. So the children, I just have a container, and then I'll fill it with a color to say colors dot blue. So you should have a blue container. So now we add our widget, that is the draggable scrollable sheet. So builder also takes a build context, and then it takes an additional parameter. Is a check over the scroll controller. Okay, so we see scroll controller. So we dynamically create a scroll controller and then give it a name. I'll just say scroller. I'll just say scroller, and then this should return container. So inside this container, you see the main point of draggable scrollable sheet is, let's look at something like Google Maps. Okay, you see, you find something and you tap on it, you see directions go to whatever down here as a bottom sheet, but then you can just tap on it to drag it all the way upwards to see more details underneath that. Yeah, so that's what the draggable scrollable sheet is for. So I'm just going to implement that. So I will just put the child of this to be a list view. So a list view, and I'll give you a children. Do I have anything text copied? No. Okay, so I'll do this black. I'm just having black boxes to no, height is, let me just do it static, like let's say 30. Yes, 30 black boxes, and then let me give it a width of, let's say 100. Yeah, where is it going to? The width did not work. The alignment, hey, let me just forget that. So let me just stick to this, and then let me just use list style. So title equals text, some item. So I'm just going to duplicate this list style so many times. Okay, style. Is it big enough? Okay, so I'm just going to duplicate this list style like plenty times, so I have a lot of them, and then I'll just I don't need to see all that, so I'll just hide it. So I'll just give the scrollable sheet a background, and I'll say colors. Sorry, I say color. This is colors, the white. So this is good. So this is our scrollable sheet. Okay, you see there it has some items, so you can actually scroll this. Oh, we can scroll. So yeah, the whole point is to make the whole thing scrollable, right? So we have these things. We have the minimum size, the minimum, so I can say 0.2, and then we have the initial size, so let's say 0.4 and 4, and then the last one is maximum child 0.8. so this are the sizes it can take. This means that the child sizes it can take ranges from 0.1 to 1, okay, where 1 means the full height of the screen, and then 0.1 means 10% of the screen. So this minimum child 0.2 is like 20% of the screen. So this means I can drag this. Why is it not working? Alright, it's not dragging. So that we can add a controller to this scroll controller. Okay, this is a scroll controller. That's, where is it? This is a scroll controller. Okay, and you've already created a scroll controller as a kind of thing, as part of the builder. Okay, so I'll just call this scroller here lazy, so that when I scroll it also scrolls, right? So this is the maximum height, that is maximum child size, that's 0.8. the minimum is what, 0.2, right? So we can expand this. I mean, you can customize it like shape. We don't have shape. Sorry, decoration. I'll say shape, decoration. See, rounded rectangle border. Now if I have decoration, that means I can't use color. I should use the color inside the decoration. So I have to move this line up. What? This line inside here. So we have this. So I will just give this border radius to be border radius dot circular. That's a circular 20. So now this is what we have. But I don't want the bottom, so you know, I can do something. Can I do something about it? That only to top left to radius the circular, I'll say 20. I'll copy the whole thing because I'm lazy, and then see top right, see radius of 20, so that we have only this, right? So we can drag it down. Okay, so there's one more thing you can add to this to make it better, that is snap. So we have snap, so not Snapchat, snap. So we just put this to true. It's not going to do anything for now because we've not done anything for the snap. So the snap simply means it should break along the way if you are dragging it. So we have snap sizes. So I'll start from 0.2 go to 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. I mean, you can put any value there. I'm just 0.7. Yeah, I skipped 0.6. I'm just trying to show you this. So this means that, so when you are going, it should snap. Why is it not snapping? So what else am I missing? So expand to true. Let's see. So then so now it is snapping. So the snapping simply means that if you drag to a certain position, and it hits any of this, you should pause at that height. So you see, I tried dragging it, I stop. Now it has stopped. If I go up, it's automatically, so let's go to, this looks like 0.4. So I didn't declare 0.5. okay, I did 0.5. This is like 0.5, so no 0.6, so it falls back to 0.5 unless I go up, and then it moves to 0.7 automatically. So you see, that's 0.7. This should be 0.6, but you see it goes back. So that's all about the snapping, right? And you can scroll the items in here when it scrolls to the top. Alright, so that's all about the draggable scrollable sheet. Yeah.